Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Now I want to explain my presentation about hand tools in the engine room or in the vessel. Most important as you engineer in the vessel, you know about the function of hand tools. Let's the material. I want to explain the function of hand tools. Number one. Number one is hacksaw. A hacksaw is a type of hand tools designed specifically for cut-through materials such as plastic, steel, and other metals. Number two is hand drill. Hand drill is a simple tool used to ignite a pile of tree tinder. Number three, as an adjustable spanner is an open-ended wrench with a movable jaw. Number four is the hammer. A hammer is a tool, most often a hand tool, consisting of the weight head fixed to a long handle that is swung to deliver an impact to a small area of an object. Number five is double ring. Double ring for tightening or loosening screw and nuts. Number six is a hook wrench are used to tighten, loosen, or hold machinery components that are round but also not or multifunctional, such as a lock, nuts, and pipe fittings. Number seven is a double open-ended spanner, used to attach and detach nuts and bolts. Number 8 is a bend vise. Bend vise used to secure an object that is to be worked on. Number 9 is shock lock. Shock lock is to tighten or loosen the bolt and nuts contained in various car components. Number 10 is the micrometer. The micrometer is a tool that allows you to measure small measurement with micrometric precision. Number 11 is a screwdriver. Screwdriver for turning screw with soldered head. Number 12, a filler gauge. Filler gauge is a tool used to measure gap width. And this is 12 hand tools in the vessel. As you engineers, you can use in the workshop and in the vessel. Thank you. This is my explanation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.